Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for circle. Kindly refers to the question, a circle C, where we have on the left, which is red in color, passes through the origin and has its center at the point 3, negative 3. So kindly illustrate the situation in the diagram. So where we have the center, 3, negative 3. Then the question says the circle passes through the origin. Let's say here we have the origin. So A, obtain the equation of the circle. So as we all know, in order to obtain the equation of the circle, we need two elements. Number one would be the center, and number two, we must have the radius. So kindly find the radius. R is equals to square root of, we have 3 minus with the 0 squared plus negative 3 minus 0 squared. So R will be equals to square root of 9 plus with the 9. So R is equals to square root of 18, or we can express as 3 multiplied with the square root of 2 after we simplify the situation. Next, we have the formula for the equation of the circle, where we have the standard form, x minus h bracket square plus bracket y minus k squared equals to r squared. Kindly substitute the center and the radius. So here we have x minus 3 squared plus y minus 3. So we have y plus 3 bracket squared equals to r squared, where we have 18. So here we have the standard form of the equation of the circle. Next, if we expand the situation, so x squared minus 6x plus with the 9 plus y squared plus 6y plus 9 minus 18 is equals to 0. So kindly simplify the situation. X squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 6y equals to 0. So here we have the general equation of the circle C. Kindly refers to the question B. If the line y is equals to x minus 6, meaning that the line will be moving towards the right, meet the circle at the point PQ. Determine the coordinate P and Q. So in this question, it means that the graph y intersect with the circle. So what we have to do is make use of the equation of the circle, where we have x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus with the 6y equals to 0. Another equation where we have y is equals to x minus 6. In order to find the intersection, what we have to do is to substitute the y into the equation of the circle. So here we will have x squared plus bracket x minus 6 bracket square minus 6x plus 6 multiplied with x minus 6 equals to 0. Kindly expand the situation. So we will have x squared minus 12x plus 36 minus 6x plus 6x minus 36 equals to 0. So kindly simplify the situation. So we will have 2x squared negative 12x equals to 0. Kindly factorize 2x. So we will have x minus 6 equals to 0. So x will be equals to 0 and x will be equals to 6. So the coordinate for the situation means that we need to find the y. So kindly substitute the situation into this part, where we have y is equals to x minus 6. So when x equals to 0, y will be equals to negative 6. When x is equals to 6, y will be equals to 0. So the coordinate will be 0, negative 6, and 6, 0. Kindly refers to the question C. Find the coordinates of the points on the circle C, where the tangent are parallels to the line PQ. So as we can see, the line parallels to PQ. So as we can see, we have the line y is equals to x minus 6, which consists of PQ. So here we have the situation, y is equals to x minus 6. So kindly refers to the question, they said, find the coordinates of the points on the circle C, where the tangent are parallels to the line PQ. So meaning that we have the gradient, which is equals to 1. So in order to find the points of intersection of the circle, what we have to do is to find the normal of the circle, which is perpendicular to y is equals to x minus 6, so that we can find the intersection. So for this situation, what we have to do is to kindly sketch or draft up the tangent that are parallels to the line PQ. So basically, we already have the purple in color, which is the tangent, and are parallels to the line PQ. So based on the situation, my suggestion is to have the normal line which is perpendicular to the tangent line PQ. As we can see, the line which is red in color are perpendicular to the situation when we have the tangent which is in the purple in color. So what we have to do is to find the normal. In order to find the normal, we note that mn multiplied with the mt equals to -1. So the normal gradient would be -1. Next is to find the situation where we have y is equals to -x plus with the c. So the line which is red in color passing through 3, -3. So kindly substitute. We have -3 equals to -3 plus with the c. So c will be equals to 0. So the normal line which is red in color would be y is equals to -x. Next, in order to find the coordinates of the points for the circle where the tangent are parallel to the line PQ, what we have to do is to substitute y is equals to -x into the equation of the circle. So the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 6y equals to 0. Y is equals to -x. So if we substitute, and we will have x squared plus with the x squared minus 6x minus 6x equals to 0. Kindly simplify the situation. 2x squared minus 12x equals to 0. Kindly factorize the 2x and we will have x minus 6 equals to 0. Next, x is equals to 0, x is equals to 6. In order to find the coordinates, what we have to do is to substitute the value of x into the y is equals to -x. So y will be equals to 0, y will be equals to -6. So the coordinate will be 0, 0, and also 6, -6. So that is the coordinate of the point on the circle where the tangents are parallel to the line PQ. Next, if the question asks us to find the tangent equation, which is purple in color, so my suggestion would be we can substitute the point which is the 0, 0, and also the point 6, -6. So kindly substitute. We have the tangent gradient, which is the 1. So y is equals to x plus with the c. So if we substitute 0, 0, so the situation would be c is equals to 0. So y is equals to x. That is the first tangent. For the second tangent, if we have the coordinate, which is 6, -6. So if we substitute, the c will be equals to -12. So the tangent would be y is equals to x minus 12. So that will be the second tangent. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.